A new way, a new day. Why turn a blinded eye to the schemes of the mad, sitting in your state of bliss while the poor remain sad? We are responsible for the leaders of tomorrow. If we slack with our youths today, no doubt there'll be more sorrow. Plant seeds of truth in the family, watch how they grow. Pass the banner of Yah love, they will see and know. Silence is consent, so open up your mouth. Cry out for those that get shuffled round about. Silence is consent, so open up your mouth. Cry out for those that get shuffled round about. Torah. Let's give thanks. Let's give praises unto the one who made us all. Let's give thanks. Let's give praises to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Give thanks. I give thanks. I give thanks for all things Yah has gifted. His miracles are abundant, inducing our spirit to be lifted. From the sound of the drum and bass in a severe reggae beat, to that light that overcomes me when Yah's word I consume like a feast. The power observed at the crashing of the waves, the lightness felt, feeling the wind and watching the trees sway. I give thanks. For hearing the congas topped with chimtas and tambourines, my heartbeat matching the rhythm of praise to Elohim the unseen. For love that reaches the core of my being. The source is you, Yah, not the person I'm seeing. For the kindness of strangers in a dismal land. For the blessing of being a lending hand. I give thanks. The sound of the rain, the thrill at the thunder, for the feeling of safety, knowing it's your wing I'm under, for the fragrance of the flower and the beauty at its sight, for the magnificent sunsets reminding me of your might. I give thanks. For the nourishing foods you've blessed us to eat, for the works at hand and satisfaction of defeat. All praise is due to my God and King, for his blessings are countless, seen and unseen. Keep it as your Tov Me'od, your very well meditation. Reflect on Yah's sufficiency and great supplication. Torah. Now, I'm not a professional singer by any means, but I will praise Yah anyhow. So I'm going to share something with you guys that I haven't shared with anyone before. Again, chief and admins, do not make me disappear from the screen. I'll be good, okay? See, I've toured the world as a musician. Pretty much every genre you can think of. Reggae, R&B, Afrobeat, mariachi bands. See, I was the Kokabia of finger snapping. Yeah. Unlike Gavera Kokabia, most of the bands didn't know I was a part of the group per se, but it never stopped me from playing my part. That being said, don't bother looking it up. Hearing all of this amazing praise music has brought these fingertips out of retirement. Keep it up, family. This final piece is it's dear to me. It's tips for us to come together. We are stronger together and can shine all the brighter together for those that are in the darkness. Yah is our source and guide. This event and the monthly meals is a sign of just how impactful we can be together and share Yah's message with others. Please, if you haven't already, donate, share your love. This final piece is nation building. There is no nation building without unity. There's too much focus on the I and not enough on the we. We serve the Elohim Yah of our forefathers. So why does the small stuff become huge bothers? If you're not here to build, then walk away from the brick. Your opinions and your garments mean nothing if the commandments didn't stick. Reflect on your reasons for even being present. If you deal treacherously amongst your sister and your brethren, this is profaning the covenant of our fathers. When treachery becomes our standard and mercy no one bothers. What you despise in others may be the very thing you internally need to change. It's easier to cast judgment than to accept blame. Let's be accountable for holding a standard above other nations. As Yahweh's chosen ones, it's not about self-adulations. There is nation building with increased unity when we humble the I and strengthen the we, built on the firm foundation of the Almighty. Todah for allowing me the time. Please don't forget, it's a blessing to be a blessing. Donate to this worthy cause. They'll share Torah lessons, love, and hot meals with the needy and homeless every month. Again, thank you, thank you. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.